feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
When you can't connect to Nintendo Switch online yet your internet seems fine, start by restarting your Switch and router to refresh the connection. Verify your Switch's online connection in Settings, then test connection. If it fails, ensure your Wi-Fi network operates on a compatible frequency, 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz, with the Switch. You may also need to adjust your DNS settings. Try using Google DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. If connectivity issues persist, checking Nintendo's online service status or contacting customer support may be necessary steps.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.